today I wanted to show you my new portable washing machine. I got this for a really good deal from somebody, from a seller. We did have to replace one piece because it was damaged, but it was just the connector, which I'll show you, the adapter for the sink. So this is an Avanti. The model number is in the back, which doesn't really matter because this is discontinued. You can't get it anywhere unless somebody sells it to you like a used, you know. So this is a 3.0 capacity. It's one of the biggest portable washing machines. I'll show you the inside. See, that's where you put your detergent. I gotta clean it a little bit. I have it on a dolly, which I'll show you right now when I move it. It's easy to move around because it's kind of heavy. So there's like 8 wash cycles, which I have to look at the manual, but I basically just do wash, rinse, and spin. And then I do, I guess, depending on my stuff. So, and there's heavy, quick, jeans, no spin, normal, and air dry. So for my towels that I'm going to do today, I'm just going to do like a couple loads, or let's see what fits in there. But you have to make sure it's balanced too, or else it won't work. Right, it'll give you an error, or it'll not spin correctly. You have to just make sure that it's balanced, like basically down here. Yeah, like I said, there's function, load size, delay, if you want to delay it and make it start later on or something. Program, temperature, I always do cold because there is 2 connections back there. But I have like a faucet that only had like I'm only using cold, okay? Start, pause. So when you have to pause it if you open it, because this won't open. It's like a safety thing, I guess. I don't know. So I'll show you how I hook it up in a minute. All right, so I'm back. This is where the water comes into your sink. And this is where it hooks up. Let me show you. So this comes out, and then you clip it on like that. Then we're gonna plug it in. If only little Nick would let me. Right there. Okay. So then oh yeah, this is the drain. Sorry, I almost forgot. This is our drain. So you have to put that in the sink. Now Nick put this on here to catch lint, because I don't think that it's good for the lint to be going down the drain. So we got that. I'm probably gonna do something to secure it, like so it stays, so it like goes right there. That's what I used the hair tie for, but he took the hair tie. All right. So then you power, and then turn your water on. Okay, I turned the water on. It's a little bit of leaking, but I don't know how to tighten that, so whatever. Here's Nick. No, don't do that. So I'll do a load for you, okay? Let me go get some clothes or some towels. Okay, so I'm back. I got the water turned on. Don't mind my hose. I put it like that so I don't have to worry about it, because it'll shake and it'll come off, and then you'll have a mess on the floor. So I put like 4 towels in there for now, because that's all I'm gonna do. And you know, so let's see, I want to do quick. So that's fast. Okay. So I chose my program. And you close it. Then you press play. And then it'll lock. And I didn't put my detergent in yet. I'm gonna wait till there's more water coming in. I don't want it to touch directly on my clothes. So there it is. It's filling up. And Nick is over here too, if you guys want to say hi. Say hi, Nick. Nick. He ran away. Nick, come here. Look. Come say hi. Alright, so let's see how much is in there. I'm not ready to put the detergent in yet, so we'll wait a little. I mean, there's a little thing there. I don't know if I showed you guys. Where you put your detergent, it's that little drawer, it pulls out. But I just put it in there. And also, you're only supposed to use high efficiency detergent. Like powder, I meant. High efficiency powder. But I am not using that because I have gained already that I have from before. So I'm going to finish using that. Then we're going to switch to this right kind that we're supposed to use for this. There's Izzy. Don't mind my mess on the floor. And I'm in my kitchen. This is my washer that see, it's not, it looks bigger on here, but it's really not that big. And I love using this stuff for a softener. And we use Gain for detergent. I mean, the softener you're gonna put in manually. Alright, so let me add my detergent now. So I pressed pause. And then I'm gonna add my detergent. I'll put it down there. And I'll just get a little water. Do that. Okay. Close it. Press play. And then I'll be back to show you when it's actually washing. Okay. All right. Okay, so we're back. And it is now washing. I know, I'm sorry the light's in the way. Let's go this way. Oh, there you go. So now it's washing. And I think it does a really good job at agitating, washing, whatever. Then it pauses a little bit. And then it goes again. There it goes. I don't know, my floor is like crooked. They're uneven. And it's annoying. But it's not really that loud. Like, just don't be doing laundry at like 3 in the morning. You know. But yeah, there it goes. Nice, huh? What is it about watching clothes being washed that is relaxing. I don't know. Am I weird? I don't know. Maybe I am. So I'll show you guys when it spins. I'll be back. Real quick. Here's the draining process. Got the hose. The pen hose. I don't know if he put it on right, but it's working, I guess. Right? I think he needs to put it on higher than that. Maybe. I'll have him fix it. But it's working. So there's the drain. Quick wash is pretty quick. Now, quick wash is just really quick. It's like 14 minutes. But then I'm going to do air dry, which is just spins the crap out of it. So this is the best option if you really don't want to sit around and have like it's 48 minutes for a full like a cycle that gives you 2 rinses and all that. But right now I'm just trying to do this because then get finished because I don't feel good. So there goes draining out. Okay, real quick guys, I wanted to show you the spin. It's doing pretty good. So I got one more little load of towels to do and I'm done. But yeah, here's the sock. I think he's gonna have to move it up like I said. But it is full of lint. It's full of lint. So that really, really works. I recommend you use that. Okay? So there is my new portable washing machine. I absolutely love it. Love it. And yeah, so it is kind of big, but it fits perfectly in my kitchen. Like I have it right there. And no more laundromat, no more paying $2 for a little load. Do it at the comfort of my own apartment. It's great. I really love it. I recommend. But this is discontinued. I got this for a really good deal, considering buying a portable dryer. But most of our clothes we hang dry anyway because I don't want to shrink it. It ruins it. Same for panties. The only thing I would use it for is my towels, to dry the towels. So maybe. We'll see.